for math, we're going to be working on function machines, and we're going to be thinking about what the rule could be with these special machines. Okay, so I have an example today of a function machine. Okay, and it even says that function machine. In this special machine, there's an in up here, and then there's an out. In, out. Mrs. Horn is going to be putting in some of these little colored bears, okay? They're all different colors, but today our brain isn't focusing on the colors. We're going to be focusing on how many Mrs. Horn puts in and then how many come out. And we're going to try to figure out what the rule is of the function machine. And it says, what's my rule? Our math brains are going to have to try to figure out what the rule is, okay? And I have a little song I want to sing you about function machines, and it goes like this. Function machine, it's like no contraption you've ever seen. Numbers go in, see what comes out. What's my rule? Gotta figure it out. All right, here we go, we're gonna start. I am going to put in 2 bears into the function machine. In they go, boom, 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 mix, 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 turn, 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 and let's see what came out. Out came 4 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have a chart up here, okay? There's an in section where we're going to write 2 because 2 went in. Then there's an out section. We counted 4 bears that came out. If you have your paper, you can write those numbers, okay? And up here, we're trying to figure out what the rule is, okay? We might not know the rule yet. Let's try again. So Mrs. Horn's gonna put a different number of bears in the machine, okay? This time, I'm going to put in 3 bears. 1, 2, 3, okay? In they go. Function, 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 function. In go 3 bears. Let's see how many come out. 3 went in. Oh, it got bigger. There's more that came out than went in. Here they are, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's think about that. 3 went in. Let's write it under the in section. And 5 came out. That goes in the out section. I wonder what the rule could be. Let's try another one and we'll see if we can figure the rule out. Okay, this time Mrs. Horn's going to take 4 bears. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bears. In the machine they go. Move around, move around, move around. Function, 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 function. 4 bears went in. Oh, let's see what came out. This is a greater number than 4. Things are getting bigger in that machine. Look what came out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bears came out. It got bigger, the number. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. That's what went in. And what came out? A line in a loop. Mr. 6 rolls a hoop. Let's try one more and then we're going to figure out the rule. We're probably going to have enough clues to figure out the rule. Okay, 5 bears are going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They happen to be all green. 5 of them go in. Function, 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 mix, mix, mix. Let's see what comes out. The number's bigger again. Do you think it's plus or minus if it keeps getting bigger? Is it addition or subtraction if the number is greater coming out? Let's see. So we said 5 went in. Let's see what came out. Oh, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 came out. Hey, 5 So what are you noticing, boys and girls? What are you noticing with the ins and outs? Yes, the number's increasing. That means it's getting bigger. How many is it getting bigger by? If we started with 2 and then we got to 4, 3, 4, how many did it get bigger by? Or if we started at 3 and we went to 5, how many did it get bigger by? Yes, it got bigger by 2. The rule is plus 2. Nice job. Write that in your rule box. The first function machine rule was plus 2. Good work. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try a new one. You're really good at this. Okay, this time, Mrs. Horn's going to start with, let's start with 5 bears going in. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears go in the machine. Let's see what comes out. 5 bears went in. Oh, I have 4 bears that came out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write that on our chart. 5 went in, 4 came out. I can already tell that you're thinking what I'm thinking. 4 is less than 5. It's a smaller number. Okay, I'm going to put 4 in. Let's see what comes out. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 4 bears went in. 3 bears came out. 3 is less than 4. Interesting. I wonder what the rule could be. Let's do 2 more examples and then we'll figure it out. Okay? 3 bears go in. How many bears will come out? Do you think you know? If you know how many, you might know the rule. 3 bears went in. Look what came out, friends. 2. In was 3. Out is 2. All right, one more time, one more space, and then we're going to try to really think with our math brain to get the rule. I'm going to put 2 bears in. And look how many came out. 1. 2 in, 1 out. 2 in, 1 out. What could that rule be? Well, if the out is smaller or less than the in, is it subtraction or is it addition? Right, it's subtraction. It's minus. Minus is subtraction, and that's when things get smaller. Okay, so if I have 5 and only 4 came out, how many did I take away? Yeah, just 1. Let's check with the 4. If I have 4 and 3 came out, how many did I take away? 1. And 3, 2, and then 2, 1. So what's my rule, friends? Yes, my rule is minus 1 for our function machine. All right, nice work. Remember, function machines, they help us to do math, okay? And we put numbers in, and different numbers come out, and then we get to figure out the rule. And that's what you did today. The first one was addition. It was a plus something. The second one was subtraction. It was a minus something. Nice job, everybody. Nice work today on function machines. Have a great day.